Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Into that universal lotus flower Lord Vishnu personally entered as the Supersoul, and when it was thus impregnated with all the modes of material nature, the personality of Vedic wisdom, whom we call the self-born, was generated. This lotus flower is the universal Vira form, or the gigantic form of the Lord in the material world. It becomes amalgamated in the personality of Godhead Vishnu, in his abdomen at the time of dissolution, and it becomes manifest at the time of creation. This is due to Garbhodakshayi Vishnu, who enters into each of the universes. In this form is the sum total of all the fruitive activities of the living entities conditioned by material nature, and the first of them, namely Brahma, or the controller of the universe, is generated from this lotus flower. This firstborn living being, unlike all the others, has no material father, and thus he is called self-born, or Svayambhu. He goes to sleep with Narayan at the time of devastation, and when there is another creation, he is born in this way. From this description we have the conception of the gross Virat form, the subtle Hiranyagarbha, and the material creative force, Brahma.